Important as the discussed strategy are, it's important to qualify and quantify them. It's only through this that you can tell the tactics and the practices that work best for your brand. Quantifying your promotional strategy simply means that you need to know your brand is performing on Instagram from the promotional strategies that you are applying. Instagram has since come out with impactable images analytical tools that are able to provide comprehensive insights on how your brand is performing on Instagram. These tools include Curate and Bliss metrics that have been used in the past to streamline the performance of brands on Instagram. With the use of the aforementioned tools, you are able to track comments and likes of your posts. This provision, therefore, allow you to see how your promotional efforts translate into additional followers. Even more, this provision enable you to know which promotional tactics works for your brand and which ones do not. Therefore, with this functionality, you are in position to dismiss promotional strategies that do not work well with your brand and maintain those that assist you significantly in promoting your brand on Instagram.